Hi friends, this is Subhash Pillai from SP Options. After a long rally of more than 125% since last COVID crash in March 2020, Nifty has now fallen more than 1500 points from its all-time high. That is from the level of 18,500 to the last Friday's closing level of 17,000. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the major reasons behind this current market correction and what should be our right strategy for in this falling market. This correction, not only in Indian market, the correction has seen in all over all the market, especially Nasdaq, that is US market tanked by more than 2.5%, UK market tanked by more than 3.5%, French and German markets tanked by more than 4.5%. Definitely in this scenario, Nifty has fallen more than 2.5%, that is around 509 points. The major reason behind this panic selling, everybody knows the reason. The new corona variant, Omicron. Especially World Health Organization designated this variant as a variant of concern. Because of this point, people think it could be a more risky variant than Delta variant. That is the main reason behind the Friday's panic selling. It is a classic example of panic selling. We already know Nifty has already in a correcting mode. It has already corrected more than 1000 points from its all-time high, that is 18,500 to 17,200 range. Before Friday's trading session, it has closed around 7,600, and in Friday trading session it has fallen more than 500 points, again come to 7,000 points. The reason behind this correction is huge FIA selling. FIAs already net sold around 30,000 plus crore from Indian equity market alone November 2021. The reason is very simple: rising US inflation reasons. Because of the rising inflation concerns that happening in US, same like India, US Fed already started to taper down the bond buying purchase program, and some of the US Fed officials already expressed the concern of very rising inflation that may increase the interest rate earlier than as we expected. So if the US Fed going to increase the interest rate, obviously that will suck out the liquidity in the stock market. That is why from the last month itself, FIA sold around 30,000 crore from Indian market. Not only from the Indian market, around all the world market, they are selling hugely. So in short term, market being driven by the market sentiment. So I expect more than 5 to 10% correction in Nifty from the present level in this year itself. So our next biggest question: what is the right strategy in this falling market? We can buy in dip, we can wait for further correction. Let's see quickly. There are two types of people in this stock market. The first type is traders and second type is investors. Obviously traders are more panic in this scenario because market is falling. Some of the traders has entered in the new position recently, that is in the all-time high level. They are in the losing side, so they can exit their position and they can buy some fresh in the dip, so they can manage their losses little bit. And for the option players, option sellers, they can hedge with the current down level and up level, though they can manage their position. And especially for the option buyers, intraday basis, they can play with put options. That is the best strategy in this falling market for short-term traders. But for the long-term investors, it's a good opportunity buy the valuable stock in reasonable valuation. For example, Nifty from the last trading session has fallen to 17,000 level. The PE ratios of Nifty 50 now at 23.49. Does it look overvalued? Not at all. Now the Nifty 50 is in a reasonable valuation range. I expect further 5 to 10% fall. So the PE ratios would fall around 2019 range. So it will be a much valuable, that will be a much valuable range for Nifty 50. Any long time investors can enter into the market, that is in a good valuation price. They can buy fundamentally strong stock, that is quality stock or blue chips at a very reasonable price for long time. Also, those who miss the bull rally, they can again enter into the market in this condition. So let's conclude. For the next week, especially for tomorrow, 16,500, that is the best support range for Nifty 50. Tomorrow morning also, I am expecting a gap down around 16,800 to 16,850 range. In the first hour, it will be panic. Don't do any trade in this first 1 hour. We will be very cautious because how the US futures will trade in the US market for tomorrow's morning section, and the new news is coming regarding the corona variant that may trigger the Nifty 50 trading range in the tomorrow's morning section. Anyway, 16,500 we can consider as a good support region. And regarding the Bank Nifty is already corrected around 12% from its all-time high. So it is in a true bearish range. It can also be corrected more 5 to 10%. Let's see how the traders and investors will react to this position. Bank Nifty, the valuation wise, it looks very attractive, especially the private sector bank, HDFC, ICICI, Axis. They almost fall around 10% from its all-time high. So tomorrow morning session, especially the next week, we should be very cautious with the news and other things what is happening around the world. That may trigger the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next week. Friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.